Hi, awesome possums. Some of your parents asked me to review with you how to subtract two-digit numbers, regrouping, by adding to subtract. In another video, we will subtract going backwards on the number line, but today we're going to practice adding to subtract, which means going forward on the number line. Okay, awesome possums, let's look at this first. Now, subtraction problem, 71 minus 32. My first step would be to put 71 and 32 on the number line. 32 is before 71 on the number line, so 32 is going to go first. 32, right there. I'm going to put 71 on the other end of the number line. Now, awesome possums, our answer is between 32 and 71. Our answer, 71 minus 32, is going to be between the numbers 32 and 71. All right, I wanted to make sure you understood that. So the second step that we're going to do is we're going to look at the number 32 and we're going to say what's the closest 10 to 32 without going backwards on the number line, and that number would be 40. Because remember, our answer is between 32 and 71, so I don't want to go backwards. The next step would be, what is the nearest 10 without going forward? What is the nearest 10 to 71? And that number would be 70. All right. Our next step would be to make our jumps. From 32 to 40 is 8. 32 plus 8 is 40. And then we're going to jump from 70 to 71, and that's going to be 1, because 70 plus 1 is 71. Now we have the big jump between 40 and 70. So let's make this big jump between 40 and 70. And we need to count how many tens are between 40 and 70. Well, the next 10 after 40 is 50. The next 10 after 50 is 60. And then the 10 after that is 70, which we already have on the number line. So we're good. So 40 to 50 is 10. 50 to 60 is 10. 60 to 70 is 10. So how many tens are between 40 and 70? There are 3 tens, and that equals 30. Pretty easy, awesome possums. So now let's go ahead and add. 8 plus 30 is 38, plus 1 is 39. So 71 minus 32 is 39. I can prove that answer to be true, boys and girls, because 32 plus 39 equals 71, and 39 plus 32 equals 71. 71 minus 39 equals 32, and 71 minus 32 equals 39. Boys and girls, that's your fact family. We've been learning that since the beginning of the year. That's how we prove that 71 minus 32 equals 39. Let's try another one. All right, boys and girls, let's look at this number. 90, or this subtraction problem. 93 minus 57. Step 1. I need to put the numbers on the number line. 57 is before 93 on a number line, so I put the 57 first. 93 goes at the other end of the number line. Okay? Step 2. What is the nearest 10 to 57? And that number is 60. What is the nearest 10 to 93? And that number is 90. Now I do my jumps. 57 to 60 is 3 jumps. 57 plus 3 is 60. Do my next jump, 90 to 93. 90 to 93 is 3 because 90 plus 3 is 93. So now I have my big jump in the middle from 60 to 90. And I ask myself, how many 10s are between 60 and 90? Well, 60 to 70 is 1 10. 70 to 80 is 2 10s. 80 to 90 is 3 10s. So there are 3 10s between 60 and 90, so that's 30. 3 10s equals 30. 3 plus 30 is 33, plus 3 is 36. So 93 minus 57 equals 36. I can prove that because 93 minus 57 is 36. 93 minus 36 is 57. 57 plus 36 is 93. 36 plus 57 is 93. It's a fact family. I hope this demonstration helps you a little bit. The next video that I make for you will be subtracting going backwards on the number line. Right now, why don't you just practice going forward on the number line. Bye-bye, awesome possums.